little sneeze coming on.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, that one made that made me dizzy. Oh my god. Are they gone? Little sneeze coming on. Get that too. Do we have any more? Nope. I think that's it. Stay tuned for more sneezing.
I cannot stop sneezing. Oh my god, y'all. What the fuck?
And the sun is getting in your eyes.
Oh my god. Go away! What do you do when you have sneezes? Oh. my god, y'all.
So I brought out the pepper again because I feel like I need to show everyone how I used to sneeze. I feel like I owe it to everyone after 1.3 million views. Okay, here we go. I think I got that in my eye. Good, do you get that? Yeah, that hurt. That hurt my chest. It hurt.
Just sneeze. And I have goosebumps. Don't comment on my sneeze.
So, I've been sneezing for the past 2 hours now, I guess. Just nonstop for no reason. I feel like there's something in my right nostril and it just is not coming out. The last time I sneezed like this for this long, or not no reason, but like, because there was something in my nose, it's because of allergies, or a gnat flew up my nose. It's possible that there's a dead gnat somewhere up my nose. Because when I was in college, I ran into a swarm of gnats and I could feel them buzzing up my nose. And it hurts. It really hurts. Yeah, it really hurts. Like, I don't feel like I need to sneeze in this nose. It's just right here. Random. Here we go again, though. The need to sneeze is real. I hate it right now. I hate it. Other times I don't care, but I hate it right now.
Good sneeze. I think I peed a little bit. Yeah, you're wrong. And a glass was on your camera.
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.